What up, everybody? Bitcoin's trading at $102,900. Definitely not a bad spot. I know it's been a minute since I dropped a video. We kind of had that really big crypto pump, and then me as a crypto miner started rotating some of my profits into other things and other life ventures and whatnot. So I kind of got distracted, but I have not forgotten about this channel. We are back. I'm definitely going to be revamping, hopefully, and gonna start putting some more videos out for you guys. But for today, we have a new mineable coin. Well, it's not new. I think it's been out for like 10 or 15 days, but someone had asked me about it, so I'm gonna make a video for you guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how to get it set up in Windows and Hive OS. We're gonna go through all that, and then also potentially at the end of the video, we're gonna talk about something as far as spec mines going forward. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so bear with me. I'm a tad bit rusty at this, but let's get into it. So Xechain or Xechain, the future of GPU mining. This is an EVM compatible project, so that does mean that you don't have to download some sketchy wallet. One thing I do recommend, never use the buttons that say add to MetaMask, and I always just create a whole new wallet. I'll usually get rid of my main wallet temporarily, add new wallet, mine a new wallet. Wallet ever does anything, then I'll reinstate wallet and do all that. But better safe than sorry, because this, as far as you know, project could go and steal all your stuff and then you're SOL. Not saying they will, but always keep that in mind. So like every other project, well, a lot of other projects, ASIC resistant, GPU mineable, a lot of transactions, block time 6.4 seconds. This is a variant of Kryptonite. I do believe they might have forked Harvey or whatever that one project was that died. But yeah, so you're going to add your MetaMask stuff. Always make sure to be safe with this, but you just come in here, add to custom network, put all the things in as they apply, and you're good to go. Tokenomics, current block reward is 100 with a dev fee of 20%, which is block time 5 seconds, mining duration 11 years, all that fun stuff. 80% goes to miners, 5% to the team, 10% to ecosystem development, and 5% to marketing and promotions. And that is all that. They are listed on this Rabbit exchange, which I don't really know much about this exchange, and they keep listing stuff, and I've kind of noticed a pattern of when things just randomly get listed on here, they kind of just die here. So there is that. I would definitely keep that in mind if you guys do decide to stack a little bag of this project. But not saying that will happen, but it could happen. But yeah, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and download our miner for Windows, and then we'll do Hive OS. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, something. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead, download your Windows miner, go ahead, extract it. The folder's going to download as Windows. I renamed it to Xechain. So as you guys can see, it does have like all the Harvey stuff in it. So I think they just forked that project. One thing you guys are going to have to do is create a bat file to do that. All you're going to do is create a new text document, name it, and go into it. And then when you do file, save as, you're going to do all files. And then if you just do I think it's just conf.bat, it'll save as bat file. And then you have bat file. Once you have your batch file, once you have your batch file, you're going to go ahead, you're going to put your whole stuff in it. And we're going to be using K1pool today. So you're going to come over here, find your command string, copy it, paste it, put in your address.worker. Once you have that, you should all be all good, ready to set up and mine. And then for you Hive OS folks, just as simple, you're going to come over here. Well, first, you're going to come over here, you're going to do your wallet and add wallet. put in the coin ticker, Xechain. Ooh, don't do that. Wallet address, name your wallet, and then hit create. And once you have that, you'll come over to your flight sheets. We'll just make a new one. Coin is going to be the Xechain, meta, and then configure pool and miner. And then we're going to do custom, configure and miner. You're going to paste that URL there. Do I still have it? Nope. That's my pool address. You'll paste your pool address right there. And then you'll come over here and copy this. Once you have that, come over here, paste it. And I know some people were saying that it was using their CPU a little bit to mine. I'm not too sure about that. As far as I know, it's just a really not good miner. Not that it's not good, just it's on its first iteration and they're still working on that. So, you know, mine that to your own accord. If that's something that bothers you, I wouldn't mine it, or maybe test it, see what happens, but I don't know. And then you're going to do applied changes, go ahead, name your flight sheet and create flight sheet. But yeah, that's a quick rundown of how to go ahead, set up mine said project. As far as spec mines, I think spec mine season might be slowly coming to an end, just because if we look at the last couple of spec mines to come out, they haven't necessarily done all that well. And I just realized that I forgot to move my camera to the side. So that is a thing for this video. Yeah, but we're a little bit rusty. Spec mines, meh, there's kind of a part of the cycle where spec mines are actually okay. And I think we're kind of probably falling out of that portion of the cycle. And so, I mean, if you want to stack your bags, still stack your bags, but just as far as coins getting like listed for relatively and making more than you would had you been mining something that was already out, that point in time is kind of seeming like it's over, especially because of that Rabbit exchange. I noticed things get listed on there and it's a terrible price. And then because it's listed on there, I don't know if projects are just not caring anymore to try and get listed because, like, I mean, not saying that projects are doing this, but they have a way to get some exit liquidity out of the project. But yeah, I'm not too sure about that. That exchange kind of just popped up and more things are getting listed there. So meh, it's kind of that. So that's kind of killing spec mines, but this channel will survive. We're going to find some new things to cover and talk about and figure it out. But yeah, you guys have a nice day, night, whatever. Keep on mining and peace out.